Warning, warning, warning. Your A1 is affected by a recall. Please discontinue use and scan the QR code to proceed. What is this and what should I do? Let's talk about it. Welcome back. So today we're actually going to talk about the A1 and what does this all mean. For a lot of people that I've seen in the Bambu Lab Facebook page, most people are saying we don't care. You know, it's a thing. My cable has no problem. But it's not the cable, it's the inside the cable that's the problem. With this going back and forth too many times, it's going to fray and break apart the internal shielding of the 2 wires or 3 wires inside the cable. Anymore, this is not your DC voltage but AC voltage for a better heating element inside the A1. So Bambu A1 printer recall registration. So what they want you to do is register whether you're going to send this unit back for a full refund or wait and have them send out the repair kit for it. Thank you for purchasing the product from Bambu Lab. We sincerely apologize for any inconvenience our product may have caused. In accordance with our official policy, we strongly urge all customers to stop using their A1 printers until this issue has been resolved. I don't know many companies, especially companies that are not in the United States, that would care enough about everybody to make sure that fires aren't going to happen and recall their product when you know that this is going to be a backlash. Also, it's going to cost the company a lot of money. We kindly request that you carefully review the following options and consider them before choosing the one that best suits your preference. Please note, customers who purchased from our official resellers should receive the same compensation through the reseller. Please contact them for details. And I know that some of the big box stores, I don't have one in my area, but some of the other big cities do, that sell computers in the big box like a grocery store. They sell these printers right off the shelf. So here are your 2 options with the Bambu. Return the A1 combo and receive a full refund including an $80 discount code. So the money that you've actually put toward the A1, you could get a full refund. Add $80 discount to it and buy the X1 Carbon or the P1S and have a great printer that has no recall on it. Option 2, keep the A1 printer and receive the revised heat bed and a $120 discount code. The revised heat bed will be shipped to you around the end of March. Accompanied by the $120 discount code, you can use the discount code for purchases of a product available on our online store. We would also want to mention that the warranty period in this case is increased with the additional 6 months of coverage. This self-replacement of the bed by the customer may not be an option, and in this case, the only solution is to return the printer for a refund. Now, the option for most enthusiasts to actually replace the bed yourself is a really good option. That's the one I'm going to take. I'm going to keep the A1 here. I'm not going to plug it back in until they have revised a new heat bed for it, and then I'm going to do a video on the replacement of the heat bed. Now, you get to choose one or two, not both. So please carefully consider your options and submit the form with caution. Each user can only submit form once through this page. And it is important to confirm that all your information is accurate, because they won't give you the discount and they're not going to, you know, send your printer back. But the one thing they do is they do have a packing information on here if you do want to send the printer back. And the packing information takes you to their web page with a video that shows you how to pack it exactly back in the box like you received it. I don't know about you, but most of the people that I know that unpack their printers, especially ones that do videos on them like I do, the box is gone. It's in the trash. I don't have the packing for this thing. They do not tell you that they will send you a new packing box or anything like that. It just has the video on how to box it back up. So that is a question that I would have for Bambu, is how do we box up a printer that we've unboxed and threw away all the packing? Is that even possible? Are they going to send out another box for us? But the one thing after all this is I really applaud Bambu for sending this information out, making sure that the customers are aware. And I want to make sure that everybody that's watching this takes this to heart and does not use the Bambu A1. And that's direct from Ken's Tech Lab. So hope everybody enjoyed this video. It's more of a straight talk than it was by showing any new products or anything. We will have more products coming up soon. I was out for a couple weeks with COVID and haven't had time to make any new videos. So that's why I'm a little bit behind in getting new content out to you. But like always, with Ken's Tech Lab, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the notification bell. And stay awesome.